In this video, we are going to learn the basics of how to create a document in Microsoft Word. To open Word on your PC, go to Search tab, type Microsoft Word, then click on it to open. Let's start by showing you tabs in Microsoft Word. Starting with Home tab, in Search tab, Page Layout tab, References tab, Mailings tab, Review and View tab. Every time you click on a tab, it opens a ribbon that has different features for formattings. This is a ribbon for Home, ribbon for Insert, Page Layout ribbon, References ribbon. Under ribbons, there are different groups. Under Insert, there is Page Group, Table, Illustrations, Links, Header and Footer, Text, Symbols. In Page Layout, that's an example of a group in Home tab, Clipboard. That's another ribbon, group known as Font, another group known as Paragraph. For example, in Page Layout tab, there is a Page Setup group, and at the bottom right corner of it, you are able to see a Launch button that when you click on it, it will add additional features that are not able to be displayed under its group space. If you want to set the size of your margins, click on Margins. If you want to adjust paper size, click on Paper. Then if you want to change the orientation of your document, you can still click on Margins and choose either Portrait or Landscape. Then click OK. This is a blank page where we are going to type our work. Under View tab, you can see that you are able to add or remove ruler and the navigation pane. Or you can disable the navigation pane by just clicking here. Always adjust the width of your page according to your screen. You can do that in two different ways. First, you can go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the negative or positive sign to reduce or increase your width. Second, you can go to the View tab. Click on Zoom feature and type in the percentage that will fit your screen. Before you start typing, go to Home tab so that you are able to set the font type and font size of your document. Let's now try typing something on our page. Let's highlight company performance and make it bold. Italicize it and underline it. You can always change the color of your text. So let's use color blue. We can also change the case of our text by clicking here. Let's capitalize each word. There are different types of alignment, but in this video, we are going to use center. Let's also change the case of this other text to capitalize each word. In case you want to insert a picture to your document, you can always go to the Insert tab and either use Clip Art for system installed images, or you can use a picture feature to insert picture from your folder on the PC. After inserting your picture, remember to wrap it to square so that you are able to move it around your document and even resize it. You can change the picture styles to one of your own choice. Now we can try typing other text after inserting our picture. Highlight your text if you want to do any formatting to it. We can align our text to the left. Let's try and use heading styles to format our title. Highlight your title. You can see we are currently using normal, but we'll be trying heading 1, heading 2, but we'll finally settle on title. Then you can always change the font type, font size and the font color to fit your requirements. Now let's go to Page Layout tab. Under Page Background, we are going to insert page borders, which are of different types. We have box, shadow, 3D and custom, but we are going to use 3D. So we click on 3D and select Art, which is going to be the outline for our document. And as you can see, it's so big, so we reduce its size to a smaller size. Let's say 15. Make sure you apply to the whole document and click OK. Now let's insert page color. You can choose the color of your own choice. In this video, we are going to use color yellow. We can also insert watermark in our document. We click on watermark feature, then custom watermark, of which there are two types. You can either use picture watermark or text watermark. We will try both but finally settle on text watermark. This is how picture watermark will appear. Now let's go and insert text watermark. Now let's go and insert text watermark. Under text watermark, we have to set the language, text, font type, font size, font color, and the layout of our watermark. After setting everything, click Apply, then close the dialog box. We can also change our document orientation at Page Layout tab. We click on orientation and either choose portrait or landscape. On our case, we are going to switch from portrait to landscape, and this is how our document will appear. To save your work, go to File, Save As. You can save on desktop. Type the name of your document, then click Save. Thank you for watching our beginner's guide to Microsoft Word.